Hello everyone, Marshall here from H2e.com. Thanks for joining for a minute. Blah, blah, blah. Hi everyone, Marshall here from H2e.com. Thanks for joining me for another video on automated responses. We've talked about away messages, we've talked about instant replies, now we're going frequently asked questions. So, pretty straightforward. What are FAQs? Pretty much every small business has heard about them. FAQs are frequently asked questions that your customers or potential customers might ask before they buy, or some sort of roadblock that they might have a question about ahead of buying, after they purchased, or about the buying process itself. Whatever the case may be, you'll probably know these FAQ questions better than I would, but some examples might be: how long is your shipping time? Do you charge for shipping? Can I get a discount for bundled orders? Do you carry this in blue? That sort of thing. So basic questions, you'll want to add them here in the frequently asked questions section. What happens? Well, it suggests questions to people when they hit your page up. So what these questions will do is somebody will hit your page up, or really they'll pop up before, just when somebody opens a messenger, the messenger app, the little bubble on your page, and says they want to talk to someone or they want to send a message. It'll have these little questions pop up about, like you see right here, and it'll say ask, so they can click the ask button for any number of questions, depending on how many you have set up. So if you set up one and it says, let's see. Do you have shipping in the UK? That could be one question. We'll just go yes. Now, you can obviously personalize the message, again, like we've talked about in other sections. You can add the first name, last name of the recipient, full name, Facebook page link, website or email address, and add it right in the message. But for now, we're just going to put yes, just so you can see how it works. You can add a media button if you want to attach a file, or add just a regular button and put the button name. Maybe they want to check out the website, or if they ask, do you carry this in blue? You say yes. The button label could say check it out, and then the website URL could go right to that product in blue. But if you don't want to add a button, you can remove the button and then just go ahead and click Save Changes. If you want to add another question, like let's see, we'll go with that question. You can then reply, and just so you can see, it won't show it. We'll just say yes. Check it out below. Then we can add a button, and bing, bang, boom, we're good to go. Oh, I needed to add it to the menu. That's what I needed to do. So these new questions, for some reason, they won't add to the menu automatically. You'll need to click this. That adds it to the menu, so you can see it right here. See, do you have shipping in the UK? Do you have this in blue? Pretty cool, right? Pretty straightforward. And again, section we've already covered, just to get it out of the way. When this happens, where you want these questions to fire off. So you may want them on Instagram and Messenger, most people do, or you may just want them on one platform. Pretty straightforward though, and pretty cool. I really like the FAQs set up in Facebook. Most of their automated responses are pretty clunky and pretty one level, but FAQs work well. So I'd set them up, set up as many as you can. I'm not sure how many they let you do. I think 4, but they might let you do more. And it's a huge help to your customers. Hope this helps you set it up. And again, have a great day.